going to show you Dad had his bag and his wet kit. Dad put it on. Will it fit him? Can he get into it? Yes, he can. But it did not fit. The zip was at the back. I cannot get the zip up. The zip did not go up. I cannot pull it off. The top of the zip fell off. Dad was hot and red. Get it off. I cannot pull it off. Pull. Mom had to cut the zip. Dad got the kit off. Pull it off. Pull. Dad was hot. That was a job. The kit did not fit. A bug got into Dad's top. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Pull it off. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Dad was hot. Get in, Dad. Yes, I will. That's it.